Have you ever considered the growing threat that drones pose to our global security? As technology advances, drones are becoming more sophisticated, capable of carrying larger payloads over greater distances, and operating with increasing autonomy. This escalating threat is driving the urgent need for effective countermeasures. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting, the worldwide drone countermeasures market is predicted to soar to a staggering $7 billion by the year 2030. That's a compound annual growth rate of 19% from 2024 to 2030. What's fueling this growth? The answer lies in the mounting threat of terrorism and the use of advanced weapons, including drones, for nefarious activities across the globe. As the terrorist threat landscape intensifies, effective countermeasures to mitigate the risks posed by drones become increasingly crucial. Advancements in drone technologies are also contributing to this growth. As drones become capable of longer-range flights, higher payload capacities, and greater autonomous functionality, the need for advanced drone countermeasures has never been more critical. North America holds the lion's share of the drone countermeasures market, and is expected to maintain its dominance during the forecast period. This dominance can be attributed to factors such as the increasing investment for counter-UAV solutions from the military and homeland security in countries such as the United States and Canada. The drone countermeasures market is a robust and competitive field with key players including advanced radar technologies, Airbus, Blighter surveillance systems, Dedrone, Detect, Drone Shield, Israel Aerospace Industries, Lit-Eye Systems, Lockheed Martin Corporation, Prime Consulting and Technologies, Raytheon Company, Ratin India Enterprises, Thales, the Boeing Company, and a host of others. In summary, the drone countermeasures market is poised for significant growth, driven by the rising threat of terrorism and advancements in drone technologies. North America is currently leading the charge, with key market players developing innovative solutions to counter this growing threat. Stay vigilant for upcoming developments in the drone countermeasures market and its impact on the aerospace and defense sector. With your continued interest, together we can navigate the complex landscape of drone countermeasures. Thank you for your time and attention.